My friend asked me to drop a car. He was away 5 weeks holiday. He asked me to drop a car last Saturday to the garage to get some repair done, bodywork. So I dropped the car Saturday evening, and Sunday morning the garage called and they said the car got stolen from the garage.
Had you handed it to them? Had you handed them the keys, or had you left it outside?
I went to the garage and dropped it, yeah.
Okay.
So Sunday morning at 9 o'clock they called. They said a few cars from the garage got stolen. They're broken into. And so we went there and they managed to find one of the cars which had a tracker. They said the other 2 cars are missing. But the garage owner not willing to give the insurance details.
So they're not willing to give their own insurance details?
Yeah. My friend who asked me to drop the car, his insurance ran out 3 days ago because he was away for 5 weeks.
Oh dear.
He forgot to renew the insurance.
Who was the car insured when you drove it to the garage?
No, I didn't realize. No, the car wasn't insured when I dropped it to the garage.
Okay. Right. So, this is pretty straightforward. If the garage... Start that again. The garage has a duty to take reasonable care and skill when it has its goods, your goods or your friend's goods, the car, in its possession. So if it left the place unlocked and left the keys somewhere accessible, it's not using...
They left the keys in the office room. They all got broken into, so they got the keys and drove the cars out. Yeah,
are the keys kept in a safe, do you know?
I'm not sure.
Okay, because I would expect the keys to be kept somewhere safe.
Yeah, they're pretty, they do high-performance cars and things, so I assume they must have, yeah.
Okay, if they did keep them in a safe or in a locked cabinet, that would be enough. Then they've probably taken reasonable care and skill. Or perhaps, you probably don't even know, maybe the car was broken into without the keys. Maybe it was just jacked.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, they left the keys somewhere in the office and in the hook somewhere, probably. Yeah. They've broken into, took the cars home, yeah.
Yeah, so they're not responsible just because the car got stolen. They're only responsible if they fail to take reasonable care and skill or use reasonable care and skill to keep the car safe. Right. So if the keys were, if the place was locked up, if the gate was secured properly, and if the keys were in a locked cabinet, I very much doubt that the garage is going to be liable for the theft.